grain silo system, including grain receiving system, grain storage system, conveying system, cleaning system, bulk grain carrier unloading at the jetty. Bulk grain is transported to the belt conveyor at the jetty by the mechanical or pneumatic ship unloader. Grain is conveyed to the cleaning tower through belt conveyors during the conveying process. The metallic impurities will be removed by the hanging type magnet iron cleaner before grain is conveyed to cleaning tower. It will be fed into the buffer hopper. Grain in buffer hopper will be distributed to the pre-cleaner evenly. After pre-cleaning, weighing. After weighing, it will be conveyed to the flat warehouse through the bucket elevator and chain conveyors, or change the flow line by the three-way valves. Grain enters into the steel silo storage system. The silo system consists of multi-steel silos. It is optional to decide which silo to feed. There are high or low level switch on each steel silo, or material level measuring device, to detect the grain height. Intelligent ventilation system is to ensure safe grain storage. The grain in steel silo can also be conveyed to the flat warehouse through the conveying equipment to realize a rational allocation of raw grain storage and guarantee the grain storage safety. Grain in the flat warehouse or steel silo can be loaded out to bulk truck freely by the conveying system or conveyed to other places. Another grain feeding way is by trucks through discharging pit. Grain is conveyed to the storage system by trucks. The grain discharging pit is a sealed environment, and it is equipped with dust collecting system. Grain will be conveyed to the cleaning system through the conveying equipment such as scraper and bucket elevator. Cleaning system is equipped with cleaning sieve and air separator to remove impurities and dust. The cleaned grain will be weighed before feeding into silo. The next process is determined by the grain moisture. Dry grain is fed into dry grain storage silo. Wet grain is fed into the wet silo for temporary storage and conveyed to the drying system by combined conveying equipment. Under the effect of hot and cold airflow, grain will be dried and tempered. After drying, grain can be conveyed to silos for storage or be loaded out directly.